into looking at how we can start to activate independence amongst your learners as well. So there are 2 areas to help you even consider not just the characteristics, but how you can start activating independence amongst your learners. So here are 2 areas that you might consider. Ensuring that your learners have enough knowledge about a topic in the first place so that they can discuss and they can elevate their voices about a particular topic as well. And secondly, use open-ended questions. So in this particular example, Hamid has used his best practice of using effective questioning, but the type of questioning he might be using is called open-ended questioning as well. So it allows a discussion amongst learners too. Now, these are just 2 examples to help as active ingredients to help independent learners amongst your learners, but also what else can you include?